welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit watermelon filter using Lightroom Mobile, and this is before and after using this preset on some sample photos. First, go to Light. Exposure to -0.80. Contrast to -48. Shadows to 49. Whites to -25. And blacks to -52. Next, go to color. Temperature to 48. Tune to 2. Vibrance to 12. And saturation to -25. Next, go to color mix. For red, hue to 30. Saturation to 28. And luminance to 30. For orange, hue to -12. Saturation to 9. And luminance to 15. For yellow, hue to -72. Saturation to 8. And luminance to 27. For green, hue to -100. Saturation to -82. And luminance to -27. For aqua, hue to 15. Saturation to -23. And luminance to 20. For blue, hue to -20. Saturation to -64. And luminance to 23. For purple, saturation to -94. For pink, saturation to -20. And last, go to effects. Clarity to 82. and done. You can copy these preset settings and paste them on other photos. And you can also adjust it again, according to your wishes. Okay, I hope you like this preset, and see you in the next tutorial.